Stage 1 is on internal power. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 1. Lift off.
Terran-1 has cleared the tower.
Switch over maneuver starting. Launchpad facing.
Look at that blue fire! If you can hear me over the cheering, the vehicle is now headed downrange in an easterly direction over the Atlantic Ocean. Our next ascent milestone is max Q, around 80 seconds.
Terran-1 is supersonic. Get telemetry switch over at the ground station. Max Q.
We are on our way to making a new history. Terran came ready to play it today. You just heard that call out indicating Terran-1 just made it through. We just completed a major step in proving to the world that 3D printed rockets are structurally viable. As you can see, we were waiting for MECO and upper stage ignition. This means that we had a main engine cutoff for stage 1, and directly following that, we had second stage ignition, which you can see the Aeon vacuum engine in that beautiful view in the night sky. Reminder, there is no fairing for this maiden launch as we don't have a customer payload, but we do instead have a memento of the first ever circular test print. As you heard from our launch director, we did have an anomaly with stage 2 during flight, but maiden launches are always exciting, and today's flight was no exception. Although we didn't reach orbit, we significantly exceeded our key objectives for this first launch, and that objective was to gather data at max Q, one of the most demanding phases of flight, and achieve stage separation.